Boys, we are back next morning. A little bit more rest, feeling a little bit better. Car's back out here, everything's done, tire pressure set. I did go up on tire pressure a little bit. I did turn down the leave on it. I did play with the launch control. We are going to see what happens now. Everybody's getting in line, so I'm being a little bit rushed, so I'm going to go ahead and get up there. Hopefully we can just leave the starting line. That's all I want, just leave the starting line. Everything else will come from there. So let me go ahead, pop in line, see what we can do today. Remy's gonna be racing again today. Nick's gonna be racing today. Valentine's gonna be racing today. So we got a lot of cars to try to keep up with.
PB'd. My launch was shit, as you guys probably saw, but I did a 10.4 at 149 this time. So mile per hour is fucking good. But next time, this next pass.
That's the straightest you've ever gone in your life.
Yeah, see, I made a mistake.
Oh no.
I turned the car down yesterday when I was pissed off, right? And I turned it up, and at the end of the night, Ryan talked some sense to me, and I turned it down. Well, I thought I had it still where I had it, which was 45 pounds. Now it's at 30 still. So 9.7 on 30 pounds, I mean, I'll take it.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
She was smooth sailing, that's for sure.
It felt slow. Remy, though, 149.
149, I PB'd.
I told you.
10.4 at 149.
Power, baby.
Yeah, good tuner.
Oh, that's the first nice thing that anyone's ever said about you.
Well, I think I said that like 3 times this weekend.
Oh. Nick let out, and then Travis missed a gear.
Excuse me, how did Nick's car look?
Like Devin there.
He bogged. And then something happened towards the end and he let out.
What happened?
Well, he just let out, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I did. Fuck.
Wow.
Hyper blew when he ran at 8.9, didn't he? 161.
He's so close.
Damn. That's fucking.
The whole point of building it like that?
What are you doing there, bud?
Oh, of course you put me on camera now. I'm doing a little bit of maintenance.
It looks tits. What are you doing?
I found my mile an hour.
I know. That was, what did Hyper Blue go?
161.
So you're 4 miles an hour away from what you went Hyper Blue.
This thing's gone 161. I just have it turned down still.
Oh, just kidding then.
But it's still pickup unit forward.
and third.
But it's all short track shit.
Yeah.
It was a 1.7 or 1.8 60 foot there.
It looked a lot better though, so what you're doing
Didn't
with the
hop?
suspension is working.
So
Internal process.
I just need to add more power in the short track and flat foot one too. I was riding the fuck out of the clutch, so
Yeah.
I'm being a little bitch. That's the problem.
Said, hey, something's fucked up.
What happened? Sorry, you should repeat all that over again.
Oh, yeah, locked me out of second, third, and then through a check engine, it was like internal control module processor fault, and threw the car into limp mode.
Oh,
So
how
I
exciting.
just coasted. But reflashed it and it went away, but my transmission needs a refresh before I try anything else. So transmission needs a refresh before I go trying again. I need new synchros. That thing has been beat to shit since we put it in.
True. What happened, bud?
Huh? Nothing.
No?
I got
The car's
locked
in the
out.
air for no reason?
Yeah. Got locked out.
Happens to the best of us.
My dialogue.
9.5?
S300.
What's up, guys?
Oh, you're on camera.
I know. What is this? It's probably gonna be pissed because you're on the internet, but here. 9.5, 156. Better short track. Big deal. Still working on it. How to look at it leave? Will it leave better?
A lot better. They said you just need to amp it up a little bit in the back and like one in the front and you should be good. They said don't turn it up. Just change your suspension and you'll be fine.
Amp it up in the back, huh?
Maybe.
Which way?
I don't know. I'm not
still
the
learning.
professional. Remy fucked up.
What do you do?
I don't know. Let out. So he
Damn.
must have missed a gear.
Pussy.
Let's see.
What time is it? I got plenty of time still to make another one?
Yeah, it's only 12.
Okay. Oh, girl's doing good. A little stage 4 in here. Doing work.
She's doing tits.
She's fucking still going. So, I was not as much of a bitch there. How'd the 1-2 shift look?
Really good.
Yeah, I fucking
Probably your smoothest pass yet.
hot footed. I just need more power.
No, you just need to figure out your suspension. We're not turning it up.
Needs
It's
more power to
working.
the 8.
It's working.
What happened?
Hey, yes, I came on again. So, right when I came to the line, so I couldn't see the traction control. So I just launched it anyway to see it. I'm gonna clear it down to go out.
I'm proud. You didn't go down. Alright, well, I'm just waiting for make some adjustments here and back out. Alright guys, we got Chris is up. See what he can do. If you guys remember his car, it is a 6466 rotated car. I'm excited to see. Go Chris. Damn, we got locked out. 11.7, 133 though. Got locked out.
Yeah.
He needs more RPM. He didn't want to listen to me. I told him to put his launch control higher, damn it. He's doubting me. So those of you who don't know, Chris's car, we have a stock clutch in this thing, stock disc, aftermarket pressure plate, and it's a 6466 car, stock cylinder head, stock head bolt, stock head gaskets, you name it. This thing is stock. Lily just has a piston rod short block in it. 6466, 40 pounds. We'll see what she does now. Chris is a little bit worried. He's questioning my he's questioning me for telling him to put his launch control so high. I think you got it. It's got a stock clutch disc. We got it. You'll be fine. Damn, 2 days in a row. At least the part I put in it was nice and questionable. That's alright. More seat time, more down on the suspension. Today was huge strides in suspension day. Big thanks to Brian. I mean, honestly, without him, we would never have done so well today. Definitely is working. Get the car pushed back over to the pits, then we'll get it loaded up, and your boy will order the right output shaft for the car. Yeah, it's stock trans, but we could have a better output shaft, so we'll get that on the way. Valentine's gonna do some roll racing, so I'm gonna record him, and we're gonna load up the car and probably call it for the weekend. It's been a long weekend, had a lot of fun. Thanks to Ricky for all the help.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be, I can't wait to go home and relax. I'm tired.
Sleep.
Yeah. Needs to stay in it longer. He's moving up.
Well, he's
he can drive. Yeah, he's nervous. That was good though.
That's what's up, Chris. Yeah.
Good. Setting the pace. Yeah.
boy.
Woo! 139.
1, 2, 3. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, throw you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. The bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. The moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash. Bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living